Hello everyone, this is Gagan from Econix. Today we will be talking about the fax solution, which is designed and developed as an ISV on Business Central to take care of the eFax. Though the fax is not that much popular in use these days, but there are a lot of business requirements are there where the organization has to send trade documents like purchase order, the sales invoices to their customer and the vendors on a periodic basis because that is the mode of a media preferred by their partners. So we will talk about the eFax solution today. Our eFax solution is available on the marketplace and you can download it through the marketplace at any time. We have already downloaded this extension into Business Central and it is installed here as Econix eFax. And further details you can get easily from the marketplace. Now, once it is installed, there is a few setups of configuration is required. The very first setup is on the company information. When you hover your cursor to eFax detail, you will see that a new tab has been added. There you need to key in your fax domain followed by the access code. Some service provider need you to have an access code when you're sending your faxes by email. Some don't. So it depends on your service provider whether you need an access code or not. In our case, we are not using access code. Once this is done, we come back and search for the fax setup because this is the main setup. This is one-time setup based on the type of document that you want to send it by fax. Let's say transaction type is sale or purchase. What is my document type are available to send it for fax? For example, code, order, invoice, credit memo, blanket order, or return order. And then it is whether I had to take into consideration the workflow, whether it's an active or not, whether I should check for that before sending fax, or it just give me a warning or don't do at all if the approval is supposed to be there before sharing the details with your customer or vendor. Once the setup is done, then the next part is to go into our customer. Let's say get into the customer profile. Uh, Datum Media is a customer that we're going to use for today's demo. And into this, go to address and contact. Make sure that there is a fax number defined for this customer. Once it is there, and we have a fax number for the customer, then sales order. You will see the list of orders are there. If you key in the new one, let's hit the sales order, and which is already been defined as part of our demo and I need to send it by fax. When I click onto the function called print and send, you will see there is a new function is there called send by eFax. If we click on this, it will ask me, do you want to send it by eFax without approval or not? Because we say yes, let's go ahead and it will send the document by fax. Once the fax is sent, we are also capturing the fax logs and the fax log will be available into the log sheet is what is the type, order number, date, time, and the person who has sent it. So this is there in the Business Central about the sending document by fax. And now on your other end, who's the customer, once they receive it, they will receive an email like this that there is a new message from the person because I'm sending by my name. And once you open that, it will tell you that the fax has been sent by this person from this company, and this is a invoice or an order, and they will you will have the details of that order and the invoice here as well. So this is what is overall solution in terms of eFax. If you have a further detail, you want to know that how eFax can be used at your organization, please contact us